Toreme na no fi agbo wana be no ma
Ise.
Emona ne kwere bo wana emona bie bo wana eke ni ari gaye baba ne baba ya yi agbo
Ise.
ya yi agbo po ma
Ise.
ya yi agbo po ma
Ise.
eke ni ari gaye baba ne baba ya gbo ma
Ise.
Ega he da mo
Ise.
ega be be na wo
Ise.
ara so wana ogwe fo ni no
Ise.
Oko na de ronye ege mo ne
Ise.
Oba mo sama ogo do ame Arabia ari o me aya no ma
Yes, so
ina ki o we go do ga do kwana
yes.
Congratulations to Shine Osemigi for the new house when the husband just build. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. I see when they pray for the house, like the house go really good for now. Una go born many children for the house, you know. So if una get better husband, wanna use that old lambo. Since where our brother come and they see the smile, where our sister the smile, and they see the happiness, the joy, because people be don't talk say this man don't leave Shine, no, you know they come back again, no. But when I don't shock Tala is now say in with the husband they together, like the happiness, the joy in her, you know. And I'm so happy for her. You understand, my people. I am so happy for her. I'm gonna congratulate her because it's not easy. Because when I know they like better things, some of una. When I know they happy for who they happy. Now only when they cry, now come they say, oh, yeah, but this one and happiness, you know. You see back her for that day, I see come out, congratulate her. So more than they congratulate her, so that congratulations, you know, go finish for una place. I am so happy for her, like seriously. I am so happy for her. So more than join me, congratulate for her and put amen for the prayer. Where that's our part they pray today. Mona see say amen. And Mona congratulate. I'm gonna put the video. Mona say my darling people. Thank you. Bye. Please let me to share the video. Let the video go viral.
Ise.
No ma aga o sorry
Ise.
O wana agigi akoka agigi agbi ye
Ise.
Ari ha we na ni menu kwa ke kunla wana. Ari no ke.
Ise.
Toreme na no fi agbo wana be no ma.
Ise.
Emona ne kwere bo wana. Emona bie bo wana. Eke ni ari gaye baba ne baba ya yi agbo.
Ise.
Ya yi agbo po ma.
Ise.
Ya yi agbo po ma.
Ise.
Eke ni ari gaye baba ne baba ya gbo ma.
Ise.
Ega he da mo.
Ise.
Ega be be na wo.
Ise.
Ara so wana ogwe fo ni no.
Ise.
Oko na de ronye ege mo ne.
Ise.
Oba mo sama ogo do ame. Arabia ari o me. Aya no ma.
Yes, so
Ina ki o we go do ga do kwana.
yes.
Afia gbe no ro kwana.
Ise.
Allah wo da lo wo na.
Ise.
Baba ne papa. Dage ka we no ya fi we la wana. Uvon wana ki mo.
Ise.
Uvon wana wa ki mo yo.
Ise.
Abi peke wo mi o mi.
Ise.
Even for me, even for me, you say. Well, we're over there. What the man? My leg in the name now, Rofia pe arrange na mi.
Ise.
Rofia pe ma o no rofia pe ma.
Ise.
Rofia pe ma o peke.
Ise.
Baba de baba. Ya gara wele.
What was that eating? Correct primary school at Airport Road with Berry Coco. Now, I make you do it. Airport Road, the constitute. I make her do it like a Berry Coco. Yeah, so it's in Airport Road in morning. Now, so in the end, our sister now said the dinner must be, no, he didn't even postpone. She said she wants to see the attendance. Yeah. That we have to see the attendance, whether I was entering class or whether I was always hiding behind school. I now posted the inside of the Pamale 1 result. In fact, the first name was 108 over 108 in attendance. People can look through your page, everything is on our page there. Scroll back, you will see it. So one of our queens was so impressed by that record keeping. Queen Uju. 3 goza for Queen Uju. Boza, Boza, Boza. 3 goza for Queen Uju again. Boza, Boza, Boza. She promised me that she will give me a head for keeping that result. I'm holding it in my hand right here. Give her a round of applause.
Ekoga 97 Old Girls Association, a Motown College Old Girls Association 97 set. 9 be this so. Now our end of year reunion party 9 be this. Yeah. And Mr. Solomon, Golden Lion of Glasgow, is right here with me. Yes. So. Look at the other. Yes, so look at the other ones. You don't get duplicates now. So there's no fake, no this one. Because you don't get duplicate at the back. Now they did still. So that's what it is. We are here live at a Motown College Old Girls Association. 97 sets. Now we there. Now all of us there. Now we there. Now we the runner. Wait there. You are supposed to be starting your service from Esco table. Abi, welfare.
Thank you.
You're supposed to be starting your service from that place. Abi, that's how it's supposed to be. Yes, so I sweat. Heat working me for this place.
Good line on yourself.
Heat working me for this place. I did so. I got the drink staff to enjoy. Can you imagine? I beg that's what I enjoy.
My wife need to enjoy me.
A standard of integrity. I promise you as a customer.
So if you were a Motown Old Girls Association, the Motown College, the 97 sets.
And I want to say
some grandmama even there here, 97 sets. Locate us because we have a group. Locate
we continue to
us.
shower you blessings. And Sister Amafe,
allow me to enjoy this.
If not for that post, I will not get weak today. Thank you so much.
But I think a week you get the week. 1 week, yeah, we get it because I was the one that said it. Esther, we have to share.
Thank you very much. Put your hands together for her. Put your hands. No, I don't understand. You think that we they sell the clapping or what?
We are busy with our mouths.
Before the mouth, one clap.
I don't understand.
Thank you very much for that wonderful speech. Now, the next item on this program, now that we are eating, I think we should be more. Let us pay attention to this important message we need to hear this afternoon.
Okay, because you give my husband, you don't want to.
Which my hand, which my wife hand.
I beg, give you. Come out for yourself. You say I beg.
Okay, we are going to skip this one for now. For free talk, if you have anything to say while we are eating,